what sets Palmetto Carriage Works apart from other carriage companies anywhere is I think that my family has a passion and a love for the business that is really second to none. My dad's life was dedicated to it. My life is dedicated to it. You know, we live, eat, and breathe it every day. And we love Charleston. We love the animals. We love showing people around Charleston on the horses and carriages. You know, we've contributed a lot to the iconic thing that carriages have become in Charleston.
He fits right in. Can't even tell he's there.
No idea.
Oh, to the left.
Nice. All right, that's great.